If you are importing power machines, your biggest nightmare is definitely when you receive your containers only to find a defect shipment. That means angry customers and massive warranty costs. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what our machine needs to do before it is shipped.
A lot of factories rely on random spot checks, maybe testing 1 out of every 10 machines. Not us. Here at our factory, if it goes in a box, it went through this exact yellow testing zone first. We operate on a strict 100% inspection rate. Every generator will be started. We don't just see if it works. We push it. We hook it up to a load bank to test the real power, check for voltage, stability, monitor engine temperature, and ensure there is absolutely zero oil and fuel leaks. Only after the machine passes each inspection will it proceed to packaging. While this is a very tedious process, it ensures that when you receive these machines, they are ready to be used immediately or resold to your customers.
We don't gamble with your business, and we don't gamble with our reputation. If you are looking for a trustworthy partner, leave a comment below or click the link in our description to connect directly with our sales team on WhatsApp. Let's build something solid together. See you next time.